What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going through one of my open trades real time to see if this trade is going to be a winner or if it's going to come back up to hit my stop loss for a loser. So if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let's hop straight into it. Today's pair is Aussie Yen. Reason for this trade is the rejection of resistance right there. As you can see, if you zoom out, you see that there's a major resistance level right there, and zooming back in, you'll notice that price has come up, rejected off this level, and also rejected off the 200 EMA just above that. As we can see on a daily time frame, pin bar candles have been printing right there, which was the reason for our trade. So I thought, yeah, price looks like it must go down lower. Also, stochastics being in the overbought region, I thought this wasn't a bad trade. Right after my entry, price did go down, however closed up higher. Now, do I think it's a terrible entry? No, not really. It met my trading criteria, so I took the trade. Whether it's a loser or a winner, I'm okay with that as long as I follow my trading rules. That's totally fine, considering I know that if I let my trading edge play out, I know eventually I'll be profitable, therefore being the casino, as the house always wins. Whether this trade is a winner or a loser, it doesn't really matter to me, considering I have very strict capital management rules. Therefore, every trade I'm actually only risking about 0.5 to 2% of my trading account, nothing more. This really ensures that I don't blow up my account with any one trade. Now, areas of concern for this trade is the market structure. As you can see here, price is kind of stuck inside this triangle at the moment. Therefore, it's forming lower highs and high lows, which we're not sure where it's going to go yet. This entry was pretty decent for me, considering we are at the top of the triangle, and this could go back down, providing me a better risk to reward ratio should it break that bottom of that triangle. Will it break to go lower? Who knows? But we can fast forward and see where it does go. So let's do that. Alright guys, coming back to this trade a couple of days later, as you can see, price has been moving directly against us. Now it has wicked down. Unfortunately, it closed up higher and then started moving against us. Now price has broken the 200 EMA and closed above that. So it's next couple of days it should, or actually today it might actually take us out. Now market structure looks like it is going to be printing a higher high. Should it break these highs there, we can definitely say that this downtrend is now over, and then we're looking at an uptrend from here on. And the stochastics is still showing as overbought, which there's a chance that price could still go down, but we'll have to see. This is the type of content I wanted to do to show new traders what trading is really like. It's okay to take losses along the way. As long as your winners are bigger than your losers, you'll be definitely okay. Just like the analogy of the coin toss, let's say we played a coin toss game and I said that every time the coin landed on heads, you'll lose $1. However, every time it lands on tails, you win $2. As the probabilities are 50-50, you'll take some losses along the way, but every time you win, it'll wipe out your losers, and you eventually have more money than you have lost. So basically in trading, you have to let your probability play out in your favor. And how do you do that? Well, of course, that's what your trading edge is for. We'll let this trade keep running, and then we'll come back in the next couple of days to see where this trade has gone. Okay guys, now unfortunately we are all out of Aussie Yen. Now as you can see, price came down on upon entry, came back up on a 4 hour, it printed a new higher high and also a higher low, and then just took us out right there. Unfortunately, during the time of taking a trade, I actually left my 50 EMA out, so it didn't stick out to me that the EMAs was actually starting to pinch and bunch up. Definitely a lesson to carry on into the future, to leave my EMAs on. However, I don't like to do that considering it's too messy. But like I said, if I should have left it on, you can see that the EMAs are starting to pinch and bunch up, and this wasn't a great opportunity to trade. What you actually want is with my trading style, you want the EMAs to be nice and spread like this, so that you can tell that it's trending. Yeah, so you just follow the EMAs up basically. Here not so good, here are much better. As you can see, it's nice and spread out here. It's pretty clear where the direction of the market's going. If you look at the trade here, it looks like the Aussie Yen might actually be printing a new high very soon, and possibly continuing this long-term uptrend. However, some things to also note is that the stochastics is showing as overbought, so we could possibly get a a pullback here. The market structure, however, is also showing that it might be wanting to go up higher, as we can see. High here, high low, and possibly a higher high here. Should we get that, that's probably a shift in the price, and the price should be resuming up to the upside. Possibly a trade opportunity here. Should price go up, retest this 200 EMA. EMA is nothing spread out. We could be targeting these highs right here, this point here. Considering today is a Friday, this is probably a trade opportunity for next week. We're probably going to have to wait for this retest to happen before entering any other trades, just for the moment. Now, this trade is unfortunately a loser. I think I lost about $84. Not a massive dent to my account. I don't risk a massive amount of my capital in any one trade. I do practice very, very strict capital management and risk management so that I don't blow up my account. This is a rule that any trader should be carrying out or doing, regardless of how much years of experience you have. You need to make sure your main goal is to preserve your capital and survive, so that in the long run you can eventually make more money. If you were to risk your whole account in any one trade, yes, you could make a lot of money in the process. However, I can guarantee you that you won't last very long in this trading game. You will blow up your account straight away, and you're going to have to keep refunding your account, which is not what you want. You want to make sure that the money you have, you grow over time and compound it so that you eventually make more money. Blowing it up in just one trade isn't going to do that. So guys, that's it. Thank you for following this trade. If you do enjoy this video, or you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, peace.